All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama Inu. What's going on with this token? It's actually up right this second in the last 7 days and in the last 24 hours. That's fantastic. So many coins over the last week and a half have been down. So when you do talk about a coin that's up right this second, you're like, wow, this is crazy. So Saitama Inu is up. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, see what's going on. Also, we're going to talk about Visa cards that are getting attached to cryptocurrency. Consumers are liking that. A lot of people are starting to attach crypto accounts to the credit cards. And there's actually been like $2.5 billion of transactions already done in the first quarter of the year with Visa Crypto. So pretty awesome stuff. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, yep, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Well, today is Championship Sunday weekend. Tom Brady at crypto.com and FTX, Tom's with FTX, is going to be all over the TV today talking about what they're getting into, cryptocurrency. They're doing a trading cryptocurrency. So today on Championship Football Sunday, we're going to hear all about cryptocurrency in commercials and stuff, which I think is fantastic. When the Super Bowl hits in a couple weeks from now, everybody's going to wonder what the best Super Bowl commercial is going to be. You heard it here first from Frank's Crypto Corner. Probably crypto commercials. It's either going to be an FTX is going to be the best commercial or a crypto.com. I don't know. All right, everybody, let's head over to Saitama Inu. All right, here we are. Saitama Inu is $28.36 on CoinMarketCap. But take a look at this. It's up 9% in the last 7 days. It's up 9.74% in the last 24 hours. Holy cow, it's actually up. That's wonderful. Actually, look, two down. Gara Network is up 32%. Clicking it. Again, over to the right here, you love seeing that it's up 10%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 32.69. We'll come back and do a price prediction a little bit later. So looking in the last 7 days, this is kind of what's happened. It was way down here in the valley, and it's actually been climbing real nice. So Saitama Inu is climbing real nice. I mean, remember, their main mission is to help the youth actually learn about finance. Generation Z. Z is in zebra. So this is going to be a really awesome company. Let's check out the holders. I know they just hit a record, 3 months. So 3 months ago, there was 161,000 holders. Today, there is 321,000, 320. So it's literally doubled. 160 and double would be 320. It's 320. So there's actually been a double the amount of people holding Saitama Inu in just the last 90 days. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Awesome job, everybody. Over here at the Twitter account, welcome to Saitama, community-driven platform that promotes global finance well-being by empowering the youth to be in control of their money and their life. They have an awesome mission. Here's one of their announcements. Dear Saitama community, there has been recent conversations and questions regarding one of our core developers. As many as you know, Steve Rocket Crypto first became involved with Saitama July of 2021 when he brought on our board of 7 to help educate our community through his YouTube channel. It's been several weeks since Steve's last contribution to the project and the community, and he has made it clear he is no longer wishing to contribute to our project. Therefore, we have begun the process of removing him from our board, and we wish him well in the future. So no more Steve Rocket Crypto on the YouTube. Just so you know, that's on their Twitter a couple days ago. Who knows? Maybe they'll reach out to me, Frank's Crypto Corner. Maybe we can be their spokesperson. All right, over here at the website, Fostering the Future of Finance. I really like their website. Welcome to Saitama, community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering the people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. So we're going to talk about this. What is their mission statement? To educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Really good mission.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, that's right on the website. Now, reading this part right here. Although digital currencies has been around for over a decade, we're still at the early stages of the revolution which reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but that's interesting. The people that are going to do really well in crypto aren't even in yet. I mean, we're still, the people that are in are going to do good, but there's a lot of folks that are going to do fantastic with the crypto industry. They're not even in crypto at all yet. That's why we do these channels, to let people know about crypto. Again, reading it again, the bulk of the next generation of investors is not even yet to join. But for global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technological hurdles by simply understanding how money works. That is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and context that make people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So right there, Saitama Inu, a lot of good stuff going on. Fantastic. We like them and everything. They're trying to educate the youth. Generation Z is in zebra, and everybody else that's also using this token. All right, let's head over to the Visa card and crypto links and people spending their money with crypto. Visa says crypto link cards usage hits a $2.45 billion in its first quarter. Visa said during recent earnings call, the customers made 2.5 billion payments in crypto links in the first quarter of the 2022. I got news for you. It's still January. This is the first month of the first quarter. So they spent 2.5 billion in the first month of the year. People are using the crypto link cards to spend in a variety of ways: retail goods, services, restaurants, and travel. Visa has started a crypto consulting service investing in crypto platforms as part of the push for digital crypto adoption. There's Coinbase right there with the Visa card. Right here, they spent 2.5 billion of payments in the first quarter, and he says that is 70% of the company's crypto volume of the whole year. So 70% of the volume in the first month of the year, guys. Wow. To us, the signal that consumers see the utility in having a Visa card linked to account as a crypto platform. There is value in being able to access that liquidity to fund purchases and manage expenses, and to do so instantly and seamlessly. Providing insights, says we are continuing to lean in the crypto space, and our strategies to be a key partner to provide scale, consumers, value, position, reliability, and security in the need of the crypto offering to continue to grow. Over here, the payment company also announced they went from 54 crypto wallet partners to 65. So now they got 65 crypto wallet partners, Coinbase and BlockFi, just to name a few. And the number of merchants accepting crypto as payments also grew to 100 million. 100 million people are using the Visas with cryptocurrency, and merchants are accepting it. So right there it is, Coinbase with Visa. Visa says crypto link cards usage hits a high 2.5 billion. All right, give us your thoughts of a Visa card with cryptocurrency. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you already have one? Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I know Crypto.com has a credit card that you can have attached to your different cryptos too. It's going to probably be a main thing that you're going to have credit cards in your wallet. It's going to reward you in crypto, and also you can spend your crypto. This world is starting to be pretty neat. What do you think about last week when the mayor of New York got his first paycheck in Bitcoin and Ethereum? NFL football players get paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now all of a sudden, $2.5 billion worth of transactions were done with Visa linked to crypto accounts and stuff. All right. Let's head back over to Saitama Inu, do a price prediction, and dig into their website a little bit. The Saitama token, the token has a fair launch of Ethereum. The network on the 31st of May, its medium transactions monetary system it owns with smart coding and benefits loyal holders, rewards, protection. 3 different things. Passive income system, 2% of every transaction with Saitama is deducted and redistributed to a pool of holders. It means that just by holding it, you will see the number of tokens increase automatically every day the community transacts. Deflationary currency, an additional 2% of the amount of all transaction is taken out of circulation, meaning that our token supply is constantly shrinking, making your Saitama increase in value with time. We have already started with 49% of the supply being burned. And last and surely not least, anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make a profit, but we want to make profit for everyone. Saitama is coded in a way that prevents big whale holders from trying to manipulate the price in their favor and from dumping the token by selling out. All right, Saitama Inu, right at their website. All right, over here, coin market cap. So everything's going, this coin, more than twice as many people own the token 90 days ago. Now they do. What's our price prediction? This token is up 12% in the last 24 hours. That's fantastic. This 32, I think, is going to go to 50 or 55. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And then it'll be 50 or 55 instead of 32. All our information is for educational purposes only. But there's so many positive things with Saitama Inu, trying to educate the youth, Generation Z. Just like this project a lot. Again, on the front here, take a look at this. It's up 12% now in the last 7 days. It's up 12% in the last 24 hours. Saitama Inu. All right, everybody, give us your thoughts. What you think of Saitama? What do you think of credit cards being linked to your crypto accounts and stuff? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Don't forget to click the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Today's Sunday championship games are going to go on. You're going to be seeing crypto ads on TV. You're going to like it. All right, everybody. We'll see you a little bit later on today from Frank's Crypto Corner.